For rhubarb pie, I have 5 cups of rhubarb, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a half a cup of flour, and 1 cup of sugar. I've got that all mixed up. For my pie crust, I have 1 3/4 cups of Crisco. And to that, I add 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 4 cups of flour. I mince that up until it's about pea size, but do not overmix it. And then on the side, I beat 1 egg, 1/2 a cup of cold water, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar goes into the egg. That gets mixed up, gets put into the flour mixture, and then this is what you get. You just take your hand and you squish it together, and this will make 4 balls of pie crust. If you want thin crust, if you like your pie crust thicker, then 3. I usually do 3. So what I'll do is make this, and then I'll take the other one and I'll put it in a Ziploc bag, and I have it in the freezer for the next time. So rolling out the pie dough is the next step, and into the oven, and this is a breeze. And if it doesn't come out perfect, just call it rustic. Just pour that in there with your sugar and your flour mixture, which seems like an awful lot. I wish that I had more rhubarb, but I don't. So I'm working with what I have today. I also wish that I had strawberries, because I usually like to make strawberry rhubarb pie, but I don't. So again, I'm working with what I have. This is still going to be great. I usually roll mine out between 2 pieces of wax paper, but I didn't feel like it today. Don't ask me why, I just didn't. And if you think you can't roll out pie dough, or you can't make a pie, you just gotta say to yourself, if they can do it, I can do it. And that should be your thought for all the difficult things in your life that you want to do that will bring out a positive income in your outcome in your life. If they can do it, I can do it. That's how I became a nurse. Now we're just gonna brush some milk all over this, and if you want to, you can sprinkle some sugar. It's, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And then it will go in the oven, and I'm gonna cook it at 375 for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna bring it down to 350 for the other 40 minutes. You put this on all of your crusts, because this is what will help it so that it won't burn.